Hello Year 3 and 4. Today you're going to be editing your writing, maybe finishing some writing off, and you're going to publish your information text, whether you're writing it up on paper or using Padlet. If you're going to be writing it up on paper, I suggest that you get separate pieces of paper to write your headings and subheadings on, a little bit like I had separate boxes, rectangles for each of these things. If you have a separate slip of paper to help you with those, it means you can move them around, and if you don't quite fill the box, you can just trim it and then organise it on another piece of paper. Okay. So we're editing and publishing our information text. For this purpose, I'm going to look over at my Padlet, and I fiddled around with it a bit. There's lots of settings up here underneath the cog. I've decided that I wanted the image of this writing slate to be separate, and I've written a caption to go with it. So I've got my paragraph, my subheading, and then I've got my caption to go with the picture. I want to write something about the Roman baths, but the layout I chose is in columns, and I don't really like it very much. So one of the features I found of Padlet is how we can start a second Padlet, and I've called this one edited, and we can transfer our post. So I'm going to transfer that over to edited. Okay, now on this one I chose the canvas, so I can move it absolutely anywhere I like, and I can resize this box to be any shape I like. So you might enjoy having that freedom, and that is using the canvas layout. Okay, so I've got Roman schools, and I want to transfer that one over to my edited Padlet, and here it is. Unfortunately, I can't get the writing to go underneath the picture, but we shall survive with that. And there. Oh, I can make the picture bigger even. Okay, but it does scale to the picture, which is fine. So I can put that underneath. So you might have some fun with this today, changing things about ever so slightly. And I'll let you fiddle with that a little bit more as we go. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to write about the Roman army, but I would like to write about the Roman baths. So I'm going to start a new post. There you go. With the Roman baths. I'm not sure what else I want to say about it just yet. So I'm just going to move it up here. And I'd like to change the colour. That's a blue. And maybe we'd like a picture of the Roman baths as well. So let's have Roman baths. See what we can find. Oh, there's lots of pictures to choose from of the Roman baths. I think I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and again, I've just found that I can change the size of it. Oh, and if I don't put any text with it, it just stays as a picture. That's fabulous. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that my paragraph about the Roman baths goes just underneath. I'm going to make it the same size, and then I'll be able to stop typing. So one of the things I want us to make sure that we include in our writing is the skill that we were looking at last week, which is using subordinating conjunctions. So there is a great choice here. I wonder, what sentence could I write about the Roman baths? Rather than, I think, is nice to use because it makes a comparison. So edit post. Rather than bathe in their homes, Romans preferred to visit communal, so that means all together, baths. That's just one sentence, okay? And you might do some further research, either reading in a book or looking at Roman Baths websites. There's a fantastic one in Bristol, and there is a book in Hare's class all about it, and lots of information on the internet. So today you're going to be editing your writing. You're hopefully going to be having a go at using it on Padlet, or you're going to be arranging that to make it look really attractive on your pieces of paper. So please today remember to use your subordinating conjunctions, so there's mine, rather than, and editing your writing today. You are able to share this link. Now, you need to speak to your grown-ups and maybe have the help, because you should only share this link on Teams with your teacher. You could paste it into a Word document and return that with the assignment. You could take a screenshot of your Padlet or just send us the link. Okay, any way you'd like to return it to us, that would be fantastic. We really look forward to seeing them and sharing them. It's been another fabulous week and a great half term. Well done to everybody for all of your efforts. I hope you have a fabulous half term and take care.